Here at the Maple Trail, guys.
If you are there, then I won't be alone. But if you don't care, I can leave you alone.
Welcome to Food-Farrell A&L. So we're gonna taste maple syrup. Maple syrup is made in Canada, and they have different flavors. So we're gonna do a taste test. Stay along with me while we do this.
Welcome to the Maple Leaf Place. You can see we have three different types. The video behind you, like how we tap a tree. In tap a tree, we collect the 45 liter sap. It's converting to the 1 liter maple syrup. Sap is like the 98% water and 2% alcohol. We boil down for 15-12 hours, then analyzing, filtering, then we do a body coffee. And you can smell that one. It smells nothing because it's a fresh maple syrup. Sweet. And the color is a different, just harvest with a different time. And this maple syrup are only produced by Canada and United States. Canada is like a 72%. You can take a shot of the gold. Like the lighter one? Lighter one, yeah. Yeah, the golden. Just pretend it's tequila. The golden is good for coffee, tea, ice creams, desserts, like where you need a natural sweet. Golden.
Oh, this is the golden.
Golden is very similar with honey. If you want to replace it with the honey, you can
Tastes like honey.
Oh, she says if you want her this one. This is similar to Oh.
Yeah, exactly. It's not our yeah.
That's how I don't get. I'm not crazy over
Get the subscribe.
I've seen it. No wonder why I don't get it.
Welcome to Food-Farrell
See, the thing is, I'm
A&L.
not
Don't forget to
fancy
subscribe.
Let's see you like amber or not, because amber is most popular one. Amber is for pancakes, waffles, French toast. We would be using from the food. Amber is like a traditional maple syrup.
Amber.
From the bread. So you can take a shot. Shot.
Oh yes, I know the amber. Amber, she said it was
amber.
French toast and yeah, this one.
Very good.
The amber one.
I think you like the dark one.
The dark one?
Dark is most popular. All Canadians like the dark one. Dark is good for cooking baking, barbecue sauce, making a laminate. Dark is like a strong one.
Oh yeah, this one too. This one.
Which one do you like?
This one, I don't think I've ever had this before.
The dark is most popular.
So the lighter is
Dark is popular? I don't know about that.
Lighter, less flavor. Put on the top. So then we have that in over there. Well, I see you guys can cover candies. Very excited about this. You can see we have a milk cherry nips that is like a real cocoa, and we are just using a local ingredient and we are making over. But you can start with the milk. The green or the milk.
Yeah, so we're gonna try samples. See how production is done over here.
And I'll be there through the highs and lows. Never feel it, cause I won't go. And when it moves so fast, you make time go slow. I never wanna do it there, and I won't be alone. But if you don't care, I can leave you alone. Because the sun don't shine on me no more. It's just the darkness left in my heart. And there ain't no space when you're living apart. But I left you a space in the beat of my heart. And I'll be there through the highs and lows. Never fear, cause I won't go. And when you move so fast, you make time go slow. I never wanna do